This will happen if Buhari uses the military against protesters, Apostle Sulaiman revealed. Apostle Johnson Sulaiman of the Omega Fire Ministries has warned the President Muhammad Buhari's government against the use of military force to stop the ongoing protests in Nigeria. The Nigerian Army had yesterday announced the commencement of its annual exercise, Operation Crocodile Smile, amidst the ongoing nationwide protest by Nigerian youths. Many believes that the military exercise, which will commence nationwide on October 20th, 2020, is to counter the protest that has lasted over 2 weeks. And Apostle Sulaiman warned that any move against the peaceful protest by the youth will be disastrous. The cleric tweeted, "Attempting to break the youths by unleashing the military will only open up new demands. That will be disastrous and regrettable." Thank you for listening to this news. I thought the president actually know what he's doing. I thought the president, with his experience as a military man, really know what he's doing. I think the war of 1967 has not taught a lot of persons some lessons. See, if the president approve the use of military against the protesters, I laugh. It's going to be disastrous. What is there? Heed to the request of these people. What these people are demanding is not too much. They are only requesting for an end of this unit in the police force. They are not asking you to give them money. They are not telling you to give them money. They are only telling you to put an end to this unit. This unit in Nigerian police force should no longer exist again. That's what they are telling you. They are not challenging you. So what is there? Okay, this unit in the Nigerian police force will no longer exist again. Then put up a form and demand for new recruit of new squads. Then you can decide whatever name you want to give them. That is left to you, provided that these people are properly trained, enlightened, and given some sense of morals. You understand? And you see everything happening well. But forcing them to accept what they don't want is what is going to cause a serious war. And I know that the president will not be happy to hear that. I'm very sure. So I am of this opinion that the president should handle things calmly and take a good decision. He should take a good decision. He should not force things on the people. The people are on their rights. They know what they are doing. They know their request. You understand? See, forcing the army on these people. Yeah. Only God knows what this thing is going to lead. May we not experience that revolution that TB Joshua prophesied in 2013. In 2013. See, the president should better maintain that low profile that he has been maintaining. When Buratai called on him, asking him to give him order to go on and redeploy soldiers against these protesters, and the reply that he gave Buratai is what has been keeping this country at peace till now. I tell you, I thought that the president knew what he's doing when he took that decision. So I don't know why he want to now take up this decision of deciding finally to unleash the soldiers on these protesters. You should not forget that these soldiers, these youths are also his children. They are also his children. And they are the people that has been assigned to him to take care of, to support, to meet with their needs. You understand? So you should not just think that these youths can just be denied of their rights. What these youths are agitating for is the reality and nothing more. What these youths are requesting for is what every normal human being will also request. And the president should note that this protest is not only a protest for Nigeria. This is a protest whereby the whole country has also involved themselves. So unleashing the soldiers on the people, and the soldiers makes a mess of the whole thing. I tell you, even him, the president, will not be comfortable and in that seat of a president, because a fresh demand will now be demanded from him, not only from Nigeria but from the UN, European Union, UNPO. He will not believe it. And he shouldn't forget that the whole world is also in support of this protest. The international country will not come in. And I tell you, all those in his administration, only God knows what's going to happen to them. So he should save himself, save his cabinets, and save his country and his own seat as a president. You understand? Let the needful be done. Let the right thing be done. Alright? My viewers, I don't know where we are heading to. I don't know. So please, I don't know what your comment concerning all that has just been said. Deem it fit to leave your comments below the comment box. Click on the notification button as well as the bell button to get updated whenever we upload any new videos. Thank you.